Grayscale targets first U.S. Zcash ETF as privacy coin explodes 1,000%. What's next? ETF. Grayscale. Zcash. Grayscale's proposed Zcash ETF aims to give investors liquid, regulated access to ZEC, emphasizing the coin's privacy-focused capabilities, and is now awaiting SEC review. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. About author. Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied, Last Updated, 1 minute ago. Grayscale Investments has moved to capitalize on one of the most explosive crypto rallies of the year, filing to convert its long-running Zcash Trust into a U.S.-listed exchange-traded fund. The Wednesday submission to the Securities and Exchange Commission marks the firm's latest attempt to expand its ETF lineup into the fast-moving privacy coin sector at a time when Zcash has surged nearly 1,000% over the past year. If approved, the product would become the first U.S. ETF to offer regulated exposure to Zcash, a cryptocurrency built around zero-knowledge proofs that allow users to conceal transaction details. Grayscale says Zcash ETF could open regulated pathway into privacy coin market. According to the filing, while Zcash inherits Bitcoin's supply model and deflationary design, its defining difference is the selective privacy provided through shielded transactions. Investors, Grayscale argued, have increasingly sought this capability as concerns deepen over the traceability of Bitcoin and other transparent blockchains. A Zcash ETF would reduce the management premium associated with the current trust structure and offer easier buy and sell access through traditional brokerage accounts. It would also provide institutional managers a regulated pathway into the privacy coin market, a sector that has historically struggled to attract mainstream capital due to compliance challenges. Zcash's rapid ascent began in September, driven by fears that government agencies had become more effective at tracking Bitcoin activity. By late November, ZEC had climbed from roughly $40 to above $700 in a matter of weeks, an unprecedented move for an asset created in 2016. The rally has not been without volatility. Zcash touched $723 on Saturday before sinking to $504 the next day, then briefly recovered to $677 before another sharp slide. By Wednesday, the coin traded around $450, still up for the week despite a series of roller coaster swings. According to data from CoinGecko, the asset later showed the asset hovering near $514.37, making over a 47% gain over 30 days, but still far below its all-time high of $3,192. The market whiplash intensified after BitMEX co-founder Arthur Hayes issued a warning to holders, urging users to remove ZEC from centralized exchanges. Hayes argued that storing the asset on platforms that only support transparent addresses strips Zcash of its privacy guarantees, effectively converting it into a traceable token. His comments revived long-standing concerns over self-custody, regulatory oversight, and the contradictions privacy coins face when interacting with mainstream trading platforms. Promotional concerns and fake headlines spark debate over Zcash's parabolic run. Analysts have also turned cautious as Zcash's chart began flashing signs of exhaustion. Trading data shows the coin forming a symmetrical triangle pattern following its 1,500% surge, a structure that can break in either direction but often resolves lower during periods of macro uncertainty. A breakdown could push ZEC toward $282, aligning with key weekly trend lines. Comparisons to BNB's parabolic rise and collapse in 2021 fueled additional fears, with some technical analysts warning of a potential 60% correction if momentum continues to fade. At the same time, questions about market manipulation have surfaced. Venture capitalist Mark Moss shared screenshots suggesting agencies sought paid promotions for ZEC, while analyst Rajat Soni accused promoters of circulating fabricated headlines. Those allegations contributed to a broader debate about whether Zcash's recent surge represented genuine demand or an engineered attempt to attract exit liquidity. Grayscale's filing arrives amid a broader wave of ETF activity in the U.S. On November 22, the New York Stock Exchange approved listings for Grayscale's XRP and Dogecoin ETFs, converting both from private trusts to fully tradable funds. The firm has also successfully converted its Bitcoin and Ethereum trusts into spot ETFs, products that have drawn substantial capital inflows since receiving regulatory approval. With Solana, Dogecoin, and XRP ETFs already trading, Zcash is the latest addition to Grayscale's push to transform legacy trusts into more liquid investment vehicles. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. Crypto Market Prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. XRP price prediction. Ripple CEO predicts pre-Thanksgiving ETF surge as Grayscale and Franklin launch XRP. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Solana, Cardano by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. Multiple XRP ETFs go live before Thanksgiving. Big money is coming. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Everyone's bearish, but one event could flip the entire market around. 1 day ago, by Arslan Butt. Features. Ahead of Monad crypto launch, expert warns of worst-case scenario. 5 days ago, by Olga Primakova. Bitcoin news. Why is crypto up today? November 24, 2025. 2 days ago, by Seed Fadil Pazik. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 2 days ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 2 days ago, by Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in November 2025. 8 hours ago, by Alan Draper. 13 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 23 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 6 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 17, 2025, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. 1 day ago, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 4, 2025, by Ben Beto.